Welcome everyone. There is a monster family living among us which is named as Addams Family. Guys, apart from live action of Addams Family, animated movie has also been made which has a total of 2 parts. So let's talk about the movie today which came in 2019. In the beginning of the movie, we see a monster come human lady who was not using human products to get ready. This lady takes out roses from inside the bouquet kept nearby. Today was the wedding of this girl and her name is Mochia. When she was coming out of the town, everyone was closing the doors of their houses. It was clearly visible that no one likes this lady. Now here another family is told about which the name of the family is Addams Family. Its head is Gomez who is going to get married to Mochia today. This family also looks completely like monsters. When the wedding rituals were going on here, at that time all the people of the town reached here with torches in their hands. These people were not able to accept the Addams family and considering them monsters, they asked them to leave this village and also attacked the wedding. Here Gomez family also had his mother and his brother Fester. Gomez's mother tells Fester to take these two out of here safely. I will take care of the rest. Then he takes Gomez and Motia out on his back. This newly married couple leaves towards New Jersey. The person driving the car was none other than their oldest family member Thing, who was just a single hand and that too without a body. Despite Motia's marriage, she was sad that till date she has not been able to find a permanent home. Everyone was trying to throw her out. They are hellbent on finding a house that is completely horror-filled. Gomez also says that they will find such a house soon. While driving, Gomez collides with a man who looks completely like a ghost. The name of the madman who had escaped from the asylum was Lars. Instead of getting scared of this man, Gomez makes him his servant and keeps him with him. They go there to scare them when there is a lightning strike. As soon as they reach the asylum, they start feeling like they are at home because a spirit was roaming inside it, that is, a soul. At the same time, there was no one in the house. The house was completely dirty, which scared them. It was giving a feeling of home. Addams family had got a house of their own. Now it has been 13 years since the Addams family got married. They had 2 children. The elder girl's name was Wednesday and the younger child's name was Paxley. Wednesday was a completely silent girl but was always ready to kill her brother. Along with this, Paxley also keeps blasting the house all day to kill her sister, her father and Uncle Fester. He uses bombs and explosives as if they are soft toys for children to play with. There is also a living tree in this family whose name is Board and it can move. Board's job was also to wake up the children early in the morning. Addams family lived in this house and did not go out from here at all and did not let anyone come into the house. One day we see a girl who was standing outside this mansion and saves the ring of the bicycle. Wednesday comes out after hearing this ring but before opening the door, the girl gets scared and goes away from there. There was a very old ritual in the Addams family which is called mazurka. If you watch the live action movie, then this ritual was called mamushaka. In this ritual, the child has to prove himself that he is perfect for the family member. That is why Gomez was teaching Paxley how to use a sword, but Pax did not like doing this. Pax finds all this very old because he always has explosives in his hands and he can protect his family from it. Uncle Fester was supposed to come after 2 weeks because Mazur's time was also after 2 weeks, but Uncle Fester had already come to help. Wednesday had to go out of the house and see new things, but Motia would tell Vanast that you are still very young and there is a very bad world outside, so what will you do by going out? There is a pet inside their house which is a lion and whatever leftover things were in the house were put in the lion's mouth. Lurch was watching a TV show here by the name of Home Art and Garden. Margot, who was a home designer, is going to become an information person. Here we see the same girl who had come to park outside the mansion. Actually, she was Margot's daughter who was working as an information person about Addams' mansion. She does not listen to her daughter. The balloon flying from Margot's town ceremony and some pieces coming out of the firecracker also reached the Addams family's house. The children had not seen this balloon till date. The Addams family was preparing for the mazurka, and even these people had not seen the balloon before today. Gomez comes out and sees that all the fog is now slowly moving away. This means that some people must have come down. There was a town in front of Gomez. Maud Ezia always liked to stay alone, but Gomez says that maybe we should go there and see. After all, they are our neighbors. Margot also did not know about this mansion, and she wanted that the people living in this mansion should either leave from here or go to our town. In the movie, Addams family reaches this town to say hello to their neighbor, where the kids were doing a happy dance, but Fester did not know how to greet people. As soon as he opens his jacket, many bats come out of it. Everyone runs away from there in fear, but Margot is not afraid of these people. And she welcomes them too. Gomez introduces Margot to her entire odd family. Margot tells about herself that how she is a home decor designer and she can design their mansion too, but Moti did not want any changes in his house, but Gomez invites Margot to his house to increase the conversation. Gomez and Fester show the oldest sword of their house to Pax. This is the sword in which Fester and Gomez had proved themselves. There was a book in which there were all the methods of using sword. Fester scares Pax here and says that you have to prove yourself in front of everyone, after which Marge had reached there with her team and daughter. Lurch welcomes them, and their son is also roaming on the walls. There is a lion pet inside the house. Only a weird family can keep so many things. After which the Addams family makes Margot visit their entire house, a place which was a dark cave, and there was also a very big well below. Marcia makes a bridge here with spiders. Margot's entire team was very scared of him. Here outside, Parker meets Wednesday. Both of them are attracted to each other's lifestyle. Parker thinks how happy Wednesday is living in this house, and he comes to operate the weapon switch. Here Wednesday asks Parker about the school. What kind of a place is a school and who all can come there? On seeing the mansion, Margot says that she can renovate it completely, but this is something that the Addams family did not want. Margot comes to know that within the next 2 weeks there is a function in this family where many members of the Addams family will also come. Now when Margot does not get the work of repairing this mansion, she thinks that she will definitely throw this family out of it, for which she will make the people of the entire town against this family. Seeing Parker, Wednesday tells her mother that she also wants to go to school and wants to live with children of her age, but Fat Shia does not like this thing. She does not come, and she refuses to Wednesday that such a lifestyle is of no use to you, but Gomez supports Wednesday here and says that maybe if she goes out then we will also be able to meet people from outside. Wednesday had such a strange personality that as soon as she enters the school all the children start staring at her. When Wednesday reaches Parker, a girl named Bethany comes in front of Parker who troubles Parker a lot. Wednesday also warns Bethany that you should not do such a thing, but Beth instead scolds Wednesday and leaves from there. This was a science class in which frogs are given and the frogs had to be cut, but Wend already knew magic and experimenting. That is why she brings this frog to life with a very big instrument, and all these zombie frogs together attack Bethany. Due to this attack, the teacher and children from the class run away. Due to this track, Parker and his 2 friends run away from Wednesday. She was very happy that there was a room in Margot's house where she could sit and keep an eye on everyone because she had installed cameras in all the houses she had designed. Margot drops a message on social media that the Addams family is a monster family that eats humans and children. Now everyone listens to Marco for the safety of their family. Guests started coming to the Addams family's house gradually. First, their mother arrives there. When Vance returns home, Morticia sees that there is a clip on Wednesday's head, that too of a unicorn which is like humans, but Wednesday did not have any problem with this thing, but Morticia felt that Wednesday is slowly changing. Morticia invites Wednesday for tea to explain things to her. When Wednesday and Parker talk to each other, both of them come to know that both of their families are weird and their mother is not able to understand these children. Morticia waits for Wednesday at tea time, but Wednesday does not reach there. That is why Morticia talks to her dead parents by doing magic, but the parents also explain to Morticia that she should give some time to Wednesday. Maybe the children will understand soon. Here both Fester and Gomez together they try to prepare Pax Lee. He is given a toy sword, but even then Pax is not able to fight well and Gomez thinks that maybe he is not even ready for the mazurka. On Fester's asking, Gomez tells that if Pax Lee does not pass this test, then all the other atoms will kill him and eat him up. By mistake, Pax Lee was standing behind the wall and hears all this. Gomez's mom tells Mosia that the judge of the mazurka is his elder sister Sluff and Pax Lee will have to pass it. Morticia says that yes, Pax is preparing well. Now when Wednesday returns home, she had come wearing a pink dress like the other girls, which was not at all acceptable in this family. This was a monster family and bringing human-like things inside it had become a big deal. In anger, Mosia stops Wednesday from going out of the house and also refuses to let him go to school. Parker also adopted Wednesday's lifestyle after seeing her. He had the same haircut, dressing sense and everything, which makes Marco angry. Marco takes Parker's phone from him for this reason and says that all these things are happening because of the Addams family. At night, Wednesday starts leaving this house and Pax sees this. Fatsia reaches Pax's room while searching for Wednesday. Pax wanted to lie, but still he spills everything that Wednesday has gone to his friend Parker's house. Fatsia sees Wednesday leaving in front of her eyes. Wednesday reaches Parker's house and says that she wants to stay here. Margot's function was also very near and the TV channel people were pressuring her to take that mansion under her control. She tells Marg that before the final tomorrow, she will throw the Addams family out of this house and will also demolish that mansion. Wednesday helps her to find Parker's phone and both of them reach the same room. This is the place where Marco had forbidden them to go. As they go downstairs, they find a secret room where several screens were installed. The activities of the house were visible here. Parker comes to know that his mom has installed cameras in everyone's house. By mistake, Marco also reaches there at the same time and picks up both the girls and locks them in the attic. When the preparations for the finals were being done, people were being interviewed. Then these people look back and see that the guests who come to the Addams family's house are roaming in this town. Due to this, the normal people of the town are scared. When Margot comes to know about this, she feels that this is the right time to incite people against the Addams family. Margot informs the people here that people are going to attack the people of this town. Margot gathers all the people and opens the door by giving them information. All the guests of the Addams family start entering slowly. The biggest guest among all of them was Aunt Slew. Slew is made the judge and made to sit and the ritual is started. Pax is given a book in which there were some tasks like shouting and roaring, and after that Pax has to do her homework. Talent was to be shown by growing beard on his face, and now it was the turn of Mazurka. Everyone starts dancing. This dance is called Guy's Mama's dance. Now as Gomez also had only mustache, due to this he removes PAX's beard and keeps only mustache. The way PAX was doing sword fighting, every guest here comes to know that PAX Lee does not know sword fighting. PAX Lee apologizes to his dad that he has spoiled that ritual and he could not do sword fighting, but Gomez says that maybe the mistake is in me. I should have believed in you and you should not have forced me. Here the people of the town come and attack the Addams family's house with their big machine, and big stones fall on the Addams family's house. Gomez tells PAX that Mazurka means to save your family, and now when you know how to use explosions well, then save your family. All the big stones coming, PAX Lee breaks it with his explosives and keeps everyone safe. Gomez keeps his guests behind him and tells everyone to just stay behind PAX, but when all the doors get closed, these people get stuck at one place and a part of the roof was about to fall on them too, but then Wednesday reaches there and takes out that part with the help of her tree and takes all the people out from there safely. PAX Lee blasts that machine with his explosives and shows his talent in front of everyone. Wednesday had returned to the family, and due to this Addams were happy. When the people of the town see and they come to know that Addams family is not doing anything wrong inside the house, then they come to know that this is also a normal family and we have done wrong by attacking them. When Margot again tells people that this is a monster family which can kill anyone, then Parker comes forward and tells everyone the truth about her own mother, that she has installed cameras in everyone's house so that she can see your every activity. Everyone gets very angry at this. Margot also says in the repeat here that she did not make that town herself, so it is her wish to do anything, but Parker had kept all these things live, that is, till now 3 million people had seen this thing. Margot did not even care who saw it. Then here Margot's assistant gets a call from her company, due to which this channel and this program were closed. This means that Margot has nothing left now. No one will buy all the houses built by Margot. Margot was most worried about this, but Fester was trying to woo Margot, and to woo her, he asks Margot to help him. The people of the town now apologize to the Addams family and say that we all will together set everything right. If we have broken this house, we will also help in fixing it. The people of the town together fixed the house of the Addams family. All the remaining guests of the Addams family had now started living in this town, that is, normal humans had also accepted this family. Aunt Sloan accepts PAX Lee's talent and he is accepted in the Addams family, and as a reward PAX Lee is given the head of the Addams family. In the last scene, we see that the spirit living in this house makes this house broken and horror like before, and with this, guys, this wonderful movie ends here. So all of you will watch this movie. Please do tell me how you liked it. So let's meet you all in the second part of this movie. Till then, tata.